Other big story at 6, it's the issue that's divided Wisconsin since 2011, Act 10. Tomorrow, the Wisconsin Supreme Court will decide whether to uphold Governor Walker's signature law that limits collective bargaining for most public workers. NBC 26's Deandra Corinthios is live in the newsroom with more.
Stacey, a Dane County judge found parts of Act 10 unconstitutional, and now the justices have to decide whether Act 10 violates workers' rights to free assembly and equal protection under the law. It's the end of the line for constitutional challenges to Act 10 that spurred thousands to protest and a recall election against Governor Walker. David Wegge, a political science professor at St. Norbert College, says he expects it to be upheld. The Supreme Court justices have not changed.
The court has acted in support of Act 10 in the past. I would anticipate them to support Act 10 in their ruling tomorrow.
In that case, public workers could only negotiate wages. Vacation, sick leave, and workplace safety can no longer be a part of labor contracts. But Wegge doesn't believe the issue will affect the race for governor, and neither does Governor Walker, who's a defendant in the case.
We'll watch the Supreme Court's decision, but I think the real issue in this race isn't going to be anything that's decided on Thursday. It's going to be jobs.
Democratic candidate Mary Burke is a member of the Madison School Board, the employer of teachers suing over Act 10. Her campaign sent NBC 26 a statement that reads in part, "The number one issue in this campaign is jobs and the economy. The Supreme Court decisions tomorrow aren't going to change that." No word on what time the court will hand down their decision. Now, this is the last time that Act 10 is expected to go to court. Political experts say because it's a state issue and not a federal one, it will likely not go to U.S. Supreme Court. Live in the Green Bay newsroom, Deandra Corinthios, NBC 26.